Question 12. A student was asked to give the exact solution to the equation 2 to the power 2x plus 4 minus 9 multiplied by 2 to the power x equals 0. The student's attempt is shown below. Identify the two errors made by the student. Well, the first error made by the student is here, because 2 to the power 2x plus 4 is not 2 to the 2x plus 2 to the 4, it's 2 to the 2x multiplied by 2 to the power 4. And the second error the student made was to say that 2 to the power 4 is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16. So having made that first error, the student should have said y squared minus 9y plus 16 is equal to 0. So I'll say 2 to the 4 is 16, not 8. And then we have to move on and find the exact solution to this equation. So we're looking at 2 to the power 2x plus 4 minus 9 times 2 to the power x equals 0. So let's split off the 2 to the 4 here, and we get 2 to the 2x multiplied by 2 to the 4 minus 9 times 2 to the power x is equal to 0. Now the 2 to the power 4 is 16, so this is 16 2 to the power 2x minus 9 2 to the power x is equal to 0. And now we can take out a common factor of 2 to the x and rebuild the expression. What do I need to multiply 2 to the x by to get 16 2 to the 2x? 16 2 to the x. And what do I need to multiply 2 to the x by to get minus 9 2 to the x? Minus 9. So we now have two factors multiplied to 0, so one of them must be 0. But 2 to the x is never 0, so it's this bracket that must be 0. So we must be looking at 16 times 2 to the x minus 9 equals 0. So 16 2 to the x equals 9. 2 to the x is 9 over 16. Now what we need to do now is take logs of both sides. Which base should we use? It doesn't matter. As long as we're consistent, we could use to the base 10, we could use to the base e, or any other base. So I'm going to say the log of 2 to the x is equal to the log of 9/16. And I'm not specifying the base because it could be any base. And then we have x log 2 equals log 9/16. Now we're asked for the exact answer, which is why I'm keeping it in logs. X is equal to the log of 9/16 divided by the log of 2. And I'll write at the side logs to any base. And whatever the base is, you'd get the same answer.